Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today. It is day 9 of 24 days of Christmas, Secret Santa Swap. And I am gifting my recipient 2 paper pads. This is the one. It has glitter and shimmer paper. Shimmer? Foil. Foil? Yeah. And then this one is glitter. And then this little cute paper pad is double-sided, has cut parts and all. So hopefully she enjoys those. This is what I'm gifting her again for day, where'd my tag go? Oh, here it is. Day 9. And look, how's my wrapping paper? Oh, don't you love it? Yep, for more videos like these, like and subscribe. To follow along, if you've missed any videos, you can see them here or here. And until my next video, shakas!